guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about dermaplaning. This is something I do at home and I've done this for about 2 years now. And I feel like this is a good time to share it with you guys because we're all stuck at home. So what you're going to need is a blade like this. Now this is a medium-sized blade. They also have small ones and they also have a little bit larger than this one. I feel like this size is perfect because it just gives me a little bit more control over where I'm going. I got this off of Amazon and I will leave a link down below for you guys. So go ahead and check it out. They're really cheap. They're not that expensive at all. And you're supposed to use them one time, but I've used them over 2 to 3 times and they work. Once the blade gets old, it's old and you just toss it out. But I have used it for about 2 to 3 times. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and wash your face. And once you wash your face, you want to make sure you don't apply any products. You want your face to be really, really dry. This not only takes care of the hair, but it also takes care of the dead skin. So I feel like this is a really good way of giving like at-home facial for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if this is a new blade that you're using, you want to make sure you clean it. And I always like to spray this blade with like 80% alcohol. And I will also link that down below for you guys. But mine's clean already, so let's go ahead and get started. So when I first heard about this technique, I wasn't sure. I was very skeptical about the whole thing. I was like, my hair is going to grow back thicker. And if you're afraid of that, I understand because I was like that too. And what I would suggest, what I did personally was I started doing it on this side of my face and I did it for about 3 weeks. And when I saw that my hair was not growing back thicker or wasn't growing back darker, is when I started doing it all over my face. So hold my blade like this, and you don't want to have like a direct cut. You kind of want to hold it on an angle so you go scrape just on the top. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stretch my skin. Now you also want to make sure that you go in the direction of the hair and you don't go in the opposite direction. I don't know if the camera is actually picking it up, but this is how much of dead skin it's already taken out. I'm going to do the same thing around my chin. Now when it comes to my eyebrows, what I like to do is I like to hold my eyebrow, take it to the center, and make sure I don't go too close to my eyebrows. So right after doing this, you want to make sure you don't put on a lot of products on your face. You don't want to put any AHAs or BHAs on your skin. You also don't want to do any peeling, any scrubbing on your skin for about a couple of days. So what I like to do is I just like to moisturize right after this. And for that, I'm going to use this Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. So you want to take about this much. And I always like to warm up my product and apply this all over my face. I'm also going to take a little bit of the Silk Painting Cream and apply this right under my eyes. So I really hope this video helped you today. Now, even if you don't have facial hair issues, this is a really, really good way to get rid of dead skin. It also helps applying your makeup really smooth and really easy. So this is a really good technique. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. If you do like this video today, as usual, please don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time. Ciao.